Hi everybody, this video is recorded for India's best academic project organized by crazyengineers.com. Myself V. Sundaresan, our teammates are Satya Prabha, K. Pradap, P. Veeramani. Our college name is Banariamman Institute of Technology, Satyamangalam, Erode, Tamil Nadu. Our project title is Absorption of Noise Using Cotton Web Coated with Activated Carbon.
Sound is a vibration which propagates in mediums such as solid, liquid or gas. Noise, which is an unwanted sound which affects the human and their behavior. The main objective of our project is to observe more noise when compared to the other present materials and to produce an eco-friendly product and to protect humans from their noise pollution. The raw materials used for our project, the first is which is a cotton, and the next activated carbon, the third is phenolic novelic resin, and the fourth is water. The cotton, which consists of 4 layers, and cotton, which is a fiber. And the next activated carbon, it has a high internal surface area and complex network and high degree of microporosity such as mesopores, macropores and micropores. Phenolic novelic resin, which is a phenol plus formaldehyde resin, having a molar ratio less than 1, and it just acts as a binder. The main characteristics of phenolic novelic resin is the first, the high bonding strength, high temperature performance, chemical resistant and low smoke and toxicity.
Solution proposed: increase the micropores in the activated carbon leads to improve the absorption of noise. Base material cotton properties are maximum thickness, more fiber volume and high bulk density and porosity. Then process of our project is, first we take the 750 GSM of the cotton web and mix the activated carbon, phenolic novelic resin and the water and coating the surface of the cotton. Pressure will be pressure distributed equally on the surface of the cotton. This is our product of invention. Testing is made by 2 micropore impedance tube method. Our product is placed here and tube is closed. The sound is produced by this instrument and efficiency absorption coefficient is calculated by this instrument. This is the efficiency graph for glass wool and the cotton web. Red color indicates the glass wool absorption coefficient. Green color indicates the our product cotton web absorption coefficient. Cost comparison per square feet. Our product is 90 rupees per square feet, and the glass wool cost is 20 rupees per square feet. When while using our product, we save the 1 rupee per square feet, but we implement the large area, we save the more amount of cost.
First, we take a 1 square feet wooden room, and inside the wooden room, the sound is made using a buzzer. And close it with the cotton web on the top surface and cover it with the wooden room. Now the sound inside the room is measured using a decibel meter. It shows a decibel of 78 decibel inside the room. And then next we take a glass wool which is placed on the top surface of the wooden bowl and close it with the wooden bowl. It shows 88 decibel. It shows we have made our project by our own hands. For further improvement, we can make a product by using machines. I believe strongly by using a product, the sound absorption will be more when compared to the other present materials. And economic based, it is a low cost and it is a flexible material, rigidity, chemical resistance material. Protect human from the noise pollution. The comparison between the thermocol and the cotton web, which is the thermocol which is a chemical product, and cotton web which is an eco-friendly product. The second, which is the thermocol will be melt when fired and our cotton web will be a fire resistant. The third is low efficiency of noise absorption for the thermocol and the high efficiency of noise absorption. For durability test, we can make a test using a dilute sulfuric acid. Glass wool is immersed in a dilute sulfuric acid, its color changes. When our cotton web is immersed in a dilute sulfuric acid, it remains same. Next, the comparison between the glass wool and the cotton web. The glass wool, which is high cost when compared to the cotton web, and the glass wool, which is a high toxic chemical product, and our product is an eco-friendly product. And melting when fired, and our product will be a fire resistant due to the properties of phenolic novelic resin. And this is glass wool, which is a water absorbent, and our product is a water repellent. And this is a low efficiency of noise absorption, and our product is a high efficiency of noise absorption. The advantages of our product is the first absorption of more noise when compared to the other present materials, and it could be used in industries, seminar halls, auditoriums and cinema theatres, and it also absorbs low frequency noise which is less than 250 Hz, and it is a flexible material and it is an eco-friendly product. Here I conclude, since this kind of thermocol has been outdated these days, here looking towards the following factors like flexibility, low cost, high noise absorption, chemical resistance and so on. By doing this, I raise a hand to the eco-friendly products. Thank you.